Hello friends, this is Manoj Kalla. Friends, in this video we'll learn how to use default calculator of Visual FoxPro. What is the CalcValue is a memory variable, okay, and how you get the value of this variable and get the current value of calculator in text box. Okay, so let's start. So we go step by step. See this first, you understand you can use this Visual FoxPro calculator by default calculator of Visual FoxPro by just writing activate window calculator this way. See this calculator is appeared here. You can see this. You can drag and drop. You can see here, just type just I am writing 100 plus 500. This is the 600 is value is coming. Okay, now you had seen this, and by pressing escape this calculator is goes off. Now display memory, you can see CalcValue. There is a value of, see this CalcValue, and this uh, CalcValue is a calculator memory, and CalcValue is a current value of this one calculator. Okay, so CalcValue is whatever we had saved the value. See this, if I run again calculator, if I say memory recall, this is the 42, right? And there you had seen there is a 42 is a CalcValue. Okay, and what is the current value of this? Current value of, you will get it by just write down calculator, just check it again, what is the name, CalcValue. Okay, you can see this clear, question mark CalcValue. See this. Okay, now it is 42 is coming. I'm showing you again 500 plus 100, this is the 600. If I say CalcValue, you can see now 600 is coming. And now CalcValue, it's a which you had stored in a, like you had stored in a calculator, the same way you can store in calculator also. So this is the what active calculator. Now first part, this two you come to know, you had come to know what is the CalcValue and CalcValue and CalcValue. Okay, so this is the public memory variable of Visual FoxPro. Now how to use that? Now suppose I am creating a one like Calci example. Now see this, I had created one text box. Okay, and here is this one of the command button. Now suppose I will write down here on a form load on key label F3. Yeah, okay, F3. I will call do Calci. Yeah, or I will okay, do Calci. Okay, so in do Calci, so in Calci you just write down activate window calculator. See this, if I call this, see this Calci, my Calci is run. Now do what, do Calci. Okay, if I press F3, whatever the memory variable value is there, how you got the value, see this form text1 dot value is equal to CalcValue. Just check it, if CalcValue is greater than 0. See this, if I press F3, now 500 plus 500 1000. If I click, see this 1000 came, whatever the value is there. So how we had achieved this, I think so you understand. Okay, so we had covered these three topics: how to use the default calculator of Visual FoxPro, what is the CalcValue and CalcValue, and get the current value of calculator in textbooks. Thank you, thank you, thank you.